This is demonstrating to you how to pin and then stitch a plain seam, which is the most common thing you will be doing on the sewing machine. So when we pin, in order to get it through the machine, we like to pin perpendicular to the line of stitching. Your line of stitching is going to be right here, and we want to go in perpendicular. If you're right-handed, you're going to want to go in from the right side. If you're left-handed, you will want to go in from the left side because that makes it easier for you to get the pins out as you move your garment through the machine. If you pin every 2 to 3 inches, that should be enough to hold it. Some projects like sleeves or different things you may want to pin more often, but for a line of stitching like this, every 2 to 3 inches is fine. We let you know what the seam allowance is on any project that you're working on. Standard seam allowance is 5/8 of an inch, and we mark out 5/8 of an inch on the sewing machine with this piece of tape along the line over here. The throat plate on your machine is marked out in 1/8 inch increments. So each one of these little lines is an eighth of an inch. And this is your 5/8. So you want to put your fabric in with this edge lined up along that edge. Lower your presser foot, and then that's going to be your stitch line, that front edge of the presser foot. Make sure that you hold on to these 2 threads while you take your first couple of stitches, because otherwise it'll make a mess and knot up underneath. Take a few stitches forward, then you can let go of those threads. This knob over here is what will make your machine go in reverse. Raise that, go in reverse, come forward, and then stitch through. You can remove your pins as you go, but the great thing about having them in perpendicular is that you can also, if you don't get a chance to pull it out, you can generally stitch over the top of it without your needle hitting it. When you get to the end, hold this up for a few stitches, go backwards, then come forwards, raise your presser foot, pull your fabric out, and cut your threads off.